आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सॉल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, this is the given question and here two equations are given. For example, if x is equals to a cos cube theta and y is equals to b sin cube theta and f belongs to d cube upon dx cube, that means triple time derivation of x and y at theta equals to 0 condition is also given to us here in this question. So first of all we'll just write these equations, then we'll try to solve this. Okay, so these are the two equations that are given to us in the question, that is x is equal to a cos cube theta, y equal to b sin cube theta. So we have to find it here triple derivative. Okay, so first derivative, what we will find? First derivative first, which is equals to dy upon dx. We know this is derivative, so dy by dx. So dy by dx means first we will derivate this and write it in numerator, and similarly for this we'll write it in denominator. So y1 equals to dy means this one. Okay, b is constant, I will write b here. Sin cube theta, its derivative will be 3 sin square theta. First we'll derivate with respect to power sin square theta. Okay, now for sin theta, derivative of sin theta is what? Cos theta. Okay, so we are done with numerator. Now for denominator, a is constant, so 3 cos square theta. Okay, now for cos theta, derivative is minus sin theta. Okay, so let's write it in more simplified form. So y1 is 3b sin square theta cos theta upon minus of 3a cos square theta sin theta. Simple. Now we can see this square will get cancelled with this cos with this, 3 will get cancelled. So here what we got? We got y1 value is equals to minus of b upon a, and sin by cos is left, so sin by cos is tan theta. Okay, and this condition, that is first derivative y1 equals to minus b upon a tan theta, it will exist. Okay, if sin theta is not equals to 0 and cos theta is not equals to 0, then only this condition will occur. For this condition to be satisfied, we have to that sin theta is not equals to 0 and cos theta is not equals to 0. But in question it is given to us that theta equals to 0. So for theta equal to 0, sin theta means sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1. Okay, this is true, but here sin theta should not be equals to 0, but we are getting here 0. So y1, we concluded here y1 doesn't exist. So I can say therefore y1 does not exist at what? At theta equals to 0. Okay, so if y1 doesn't exist, so hence what we can conclude from here? That hence y2 and y3 do not exist, because if y1 is not existing, then how y2 and y3 second and third derivative will exist? Okay, do not exist at theta equals to 0, because we concluded here if we want that this condition, this equation should be satisfied, then these two conditions must satisfy. But according to question, theta is 0. So for theta 0, we'll get this sin 0 value will be 0. So this condition will not satisfy. y1 will not satisfy. Therefore, I said y1 doesn't exist. Hence y2 and y3 do not exist at theta equals to 0. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।